Hey guys, what's going on? Hakobo again with another gritty sound that we're going to be learning today. This is another bass sound that is more of a stab, and you can hear in a lot of different melodic bass songs, kind of like Chee's Get Hot, which is a personal favorite of mine for sure. I'll go ahead and play it now for you. Yeah, so sounds great. So again, we're going to take a very basic approach. I'm not going to be playing any song that as an example because I don't want to get copyright struck or anything like that. So go ahead and open up Serum, a new copy of it. Let's see here. And like I said, we keep this one very simple and two without the need for post EQ and distortion and all that. So let's get right in it. It's gonna be another FM from B sound. So first we're just gonna put this on basic shapes and throw it into a square wave. And let's see here. Then we are going to go ahead and turn on oscillator B. Knock it up 2 octaves, and we're gonna put it on basic MCB. We're gonna turn that puppy off, and then we're gonna go ahead and go into our LFOs. We're gonna be making 2 LFOs. First one is gonna be over here, and we're gonna go ahead and take it and put it on the first line right here. We're gonna curve this up a little bit. We're gonna put trigger on, and then we're gonna go ahead and take this until we hit this little line right here to the right, for the very bottom square, top right corner to the right of the middle line. And then for the second, or yeah, that actually works perfect. And then for the second LFO, we're going to go ahead and move it halfway through the second square on the very top. We're gonna curve this until this point hits right here, the bottom right corner of the top left box. And then we're gonna go ahead and curve this up till this line is about halfway through the middle of the third, or the top part of the, I don't know how to describe it, but it's 3 boxes over, or I guess 2.5 from the very center. And what we're gonna do there is we're gonna take the second LFO, we're gonna tie it to the level, and kind of just round that off to give it more of a, make sure you turn on trigger for both oscillators. And then we're going to go ahead and turn on our FM from B and move this up to, I believe it is 15%. And then we are going to throw our LFO on there and turn it down to about 35, let's say. That looks good. All right. Our next step is let's go ahead and see how it sounds. So we got a lot of noise there. So we're gonna go ahead and turn our filter on, and we're gonna bring this down to 45 Hertz, the cutoff. And then we're gonna take our first LFO, and we're going to tie it to the cutoff, and we are going to put it at about 55. Close enough. And then there you have it. Very simple sound, and like I said, I'm going to be posting more sounds pretty much every week, if not every few days. So if you just want to know how to make some pretty easy sounds without doing too much work that sound good and are very generally useful for all genres of music, be sure to drop a like and subscribe and comment any sound ideas you would like to personally hear. Thank you so much for watching.